Fucking hell. Oh mate, that's fucking awesome. I'm loving this. This is just amazing. I'm loving those arches and all. That's exactly what I wanted. Awesome. And I even get a free air freshener, do I? Or is that going on the bill?
We've left all the original date stamps in there from Ford, so they're all in there still. Just enhanced it a little bit. Fire damage replication on the front, because when you're running a blower, it's going to spit back at some point, so you're going to get fire damage. Other than that, it's just general patina. It's obviously got a matte clear coat over it. I've never clear coated this stuff, so I don't know what it's going to do. You might get salt coming out of it for a little while. It does. It's just going to make it better and better. But yeah, it'll work quite well. It's gone on really well. But so many people have come in and said, I want a gasser. Yeah, and I said, well, I'm not building another one like that. There's only one and that's it. It's going to look awesome going down the strip. You might want to let a bit of air out of those tyres because that's going to act as your suspension. Can you control your animals, please?
Bought it originally 10 years ago, completely standard in Somerset. It'd been found in a barn. It's been in that barn for 20 years. So recommissioned it. The guy recommissioned it, I bought it off of, and I drove it home. It broke down 5 times on the way home. As soon as I got it home, I ripped all the running gear out of it. I put a Rover V8 in it, the BW36 box and a 105E axle, all fairly standard stuff for a 100E. I met Sean through 100E.com at one of the Ace Cafe meets years ago. Become good friends. We also race in the same series. And Sean did the bonnet for me. That was the first job he did with this when he opened this company up. He also did my dash. It's just a natural choice to come back again.
Steve came to us earlier on last year to have the dashboard done, wanted to do something a little bit fancy with the dashboard, so hence it's got a chameleon flake on it, which changes colour in the sun. Then came to us late last year to say he wanted some mini tubs put in the rear, which basically means extending the arches outwards and inwards to take bigger wheels with slicks. Also sent me some photographs of an American truck that had a really cool patina on it, and he wanted to replicate something like that. His daughter had designed the door logos, so we just pulled the whole lot together, did it all in one hit, welded some door bars in, and that's what you see is the final image. And that was it really. It's just a cool project. It's sort of stuff I love doing because it's creative. You know, you're doing it right. I can do shiny paint jobs all day long, but this stuff, you've got to use your imagination a little bit, which is really cool. I enjoyed it.